Hello everybody, this is Technicya and in this video I will share you a method to take a long screenshot of any web page in Chrome browser. To do this, open the Chrome browser and search NIMBUS screenshot. Click on the second link to download the Chrome extension. Click on Add extension to Chrome. This will download the extension. From here, click on extension and click on pin to taskbar. Now I will take a long screenshot of this page. Click on extension. Now click on select and scroll. Select the area that you want to get the screenshot. Click on save button. This will save the screenshot including the file name with date and time. If you like this video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Technicya. I will catch you in my next tutorial. Bye bye.